I decided to try out the fairly new promote feature on YouTube to grow my new travel channel, and I wanted to share the results with you and if I think it's a good value or a good ROI or not. Let's dive into it. So this is my new travel channel right here, Travel with Matt Taylor, and this video right here, the intro video, is the video that introduces the channel, and I wanted to promote that video to see if I can get more subscribers more quickly than kind of organically. And so I decided to give it a try, and I did 3 different runs with it, and I spent $100 for each different run. And what I did is I picked different demographics each time. To use the promote feature, what you would do is you would go over into your YouTube studio, and then you go over here to content, and then you go up here to promotions. That's one way to do it, and you can start a new promotion that way. Or another way that you can do it, if I was to click on this video, right down here there is a promote function, and you can click on that, and then here it is. And what you do is you can select the type of promotion that you want to do. I picked audience growth because that's what I want to do. I want to build that channel up. Or you can do video views if you want to just get more video views on one of your videos, or website visits if you have a website that you want to drive people that are more likely to click and go to a website, then you would pick that. Okay, so I just did audience growth because I wanted to grow my channel. And then if you look in the background here, you can see the ones that I've done already, and I'll get to that in a second. And then you choose the video. That is the video that I already clicked, so it's going to show up right here. And then you can write a promotion. If you can write like a little headline if you want to describe what the promotion is. Click here to watch or subscribe to my new travel channel if you want to follow me in all my adventures, something like that. And then you pick the targeting, different states and countries that you can put in there, and then you can also pick a specific language as well, or a couple different languages. And then next, and you'll pick your budget, and then you'll hit promote, and it'll do its thing. Okay, so that's how you set up a promotion. So it's very, very easy. Now I want to go to the results here. So the first one I did was this one at the very bottom here. And I picked audience growth. My cost was $100. Total promotion impressions was 160,000, which is pretty good. But the actual views though, so an impression doesn't actually mean a view, it just means that like someone was scrolling and they saw it for a brief second, but they didn't actually watch it or something like that, okay? And then, so I had, out of 1,000 actual views, I wound up with 135 subscribers. Okay, so 135 subscribers for $100 is not bad. It's a little bit under $1 per subscriber. That's actually pretty good. The next one that I did after that one ended is I created a new one. Again, same audience growth. This time it had 545,000 impressions, 11,000 views. So quite a few more views, and then 857 subscribers. So that was pretty good. Let me go to the third one. Again, audience growth, $100, only 43,000 impressions, only 404 views, and only 51 subscribers. So why is there a big difference between all those? And the reason is the demographics. So this top one right here, my audience selection was only in the United States, and the United States market is the most expensive market to advertise in. This one in the middle was, I had in United States included places like the United Kingdom, Australia, New Zealand, but then I also had places like the Philippines and India and Mexico. And so what happened is this got a lot more play in those other countries where it's cheaper to advertise. And so I got more subscribers from those areas. And then this first one was mostly just English speaking, Australia, Canada, United States, United Kingdom. So it's kind of in between those two. And so if you want to get a lot of subscribers quicker, I would go the route of kind of in the middle, where this middle route right here, where you are focusing on countries where it's a little bit easier or a little bit less expensive to promote in India, South America, Africa, Philippines, places like that. So the caveat there is, why are you wanting to get the subscribers? Are you trying to monetize your channel quickly? That's only one side of the token. You still need the hours of watch time. Also, once you are monetized, these demographics, the cheaper or the less expensive demographics to advertise in, also have the less RPM or CPM for your videos once you start running ads on your own videos and making money. So you'll make less money in those markets. So it all depends on what you want. Like if you're just at the cusp of getting monetized and you really need just like a couple hundred more subscribers to get there, and you already have the watch time, then this is great. Just do a little promotion. It doesn't really matter where those subscribers come from. You can still monetize your channel. So YouTube doesn't care where your subscribers are from. You just need those 4,000 hours of watch time and those 1,000 subscribers to get the full monetization. Anyway, so I think it was successful. I think the promote feature is awesome and it works. Just depends on what you want to do it for or use it for. I'm going to keep running it. I'm going to keep trying to grow my channel this way for a little bit and see how it goes. But so far I've been impressed. It's worked. It does what it's supposed to do. It got me more subscribers. And the cost per subscriber is not too bad at all. The US subscribers, it's more expensive. It's about $2 per subscriber. But then you can get it down as less than, this one right here was, far less, 857 subscribers for $100. That is pretty good. That's pretty cheap per subscriber. So anyway, there you go. I hope this was helpful for you. And if you decide to run some promotions, let me know your results in the comments. Take care, everyone. Have a great day. See you next time.